Okay guys, for today's recipe, I'm making seafood. I have a shrimp, seafood mix, gochujang, and tomato paste, and crab. And I got some corn, oregano, onion, salt, garlic powder, and black pepper, tomato paste. Tapos ay garlic and onion. Okay, lemon. Then I have potatoes. I got garlic and butter. Okay. Then lagay natin yung onion. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng paprika. Yung seasoning natin. And then garlic powder. Onion salt. Garlic black pepper. Dry chili. Gochujang. Then lagyan na natin yung shrimp. I already steamed my shrimp and seafood. I steam everything. Mix it. And then my corn. Then I have crab. Then I put a little bit of salt. And a little bit of soy sauce. Then half of lemon. Then one whole lemon. 1.5 lemon. And then I put 2 tablespoons of sugar para may kunting tamis. Okay. And then guys, I put some oregano. Okay. And then yung potatoes. Mix it well. This is almost done. And then guys, optional sesame oil. And then lagyan natin ng green onion, scallion on top. Okay guys, this is done. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye bye. Let's eat. May tina niya naman nasi ganun.